Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Berlin SEO channel. It's been a while. And in today's video, we're going to be going over, well, Google Search Console. I remember my last video was about this too, but suffice to say, it's really important that we go through this now because if you are not working at an agency or you're just learning SEO on your own, you're not going to learn much about GSC. And one of the first things you might run into when you actually start working as a freelancer and you go onto a client's website and they've told you about GSC, you've heard about it, you might have messed around a bit with it, but you don't truly understand it, and you see this, it can be heartbreaking. Okay, so this is basically the indexation page, right? All the pages that are indexing or not indexing on Google. There's plenty of reasons why. You can see an impression graph. You can see how many pages are indexing, all of that. One of the things for it, well, if you look at this, it's really bad. But that's simply because we're currently on all known pages, right? So over here, you can see the variety of your sitemap. If you have multiple sitemaps available, you can click on them here to view only those pages and seeing if all those pages on that sitemap are actually indexing as intended. You can see unsubmitted pages only, so pages that aren't on any sitemap, but that Google has discovered on your website, or submitted pages only. Only pages on your sitemap should appear. Let's do that. And that looks a lot better, doesn't it? Right? Well, and there's a reason for this, okay? So when we say all known pages, these are all the pages known to Google. So these are all the pages that do, have, and will exist on your website since the start, right? Since Google could start tracking it, it has existed like that. These are all the pages it's ever known. So you can end up with a lot of pages with redirects, with 404 errors, with no index tags, blocked by robots, alternative canonicals. I'm so sorry about that noise. Crawl but not current index, you'll end up with a lot of these errors. But if you look at only submitted pages, which is what you really care about, you get a deeper understanding of, okay, this is the stuff that I need to do and this is the stuff I need to fix. As you can see, we went from 2000 all the way down to 31, which is a lot better. And now you can go through and say, okay, this page needs to be indexed, this page needs to not be indexed. If it says page with redirect, that's fine. That's fine. You don't have to really worry about that. 404 errors that you want to go and fix. Crawled, not currently indexed, that's something you want to fix. And discovered, currently not indexed, that's also something you want to fix. If it says 301, sorry, if it's a temporary redirect, you don't have to worry about that so much. If it is a permanent redirect, it should be here. If it's only temporary, it shouldn't be here. But once you fix the page to its correct status 200, everything should be fine. So this is just a quick in-look at pages, indexing, and the GSC version of everything. Hope this was informative. Hope this was insightful. I'll see you all tomorrow.